you can definitely combine cycling and walking, definitely with public transport, and it makes up for a much better, more efficient travel in Metro Manila. However, I mean, having said that, our public transport is obviously needs of like sort of much improvement, and work is underway already. We see big ticket rail projects like our rail networks are being
Mhm.
built up, subway, but there's definitely you've heard about this from your previous guests and advocates as well, that there's an issue about supply and the quality, the reliability, all of
Lack
this,
of bike infra as well.
and bike and active transport
Yeah.
infrastructure and facility as well. So there's much to be done, but still, people needs to move around. We
Mhm.
need to make essential trips every day, right? And so there's definitely demand that needs to be resolved or addressed by combination of policy and infrastructure.